Model, 2009 Ford Transit 85T 260m Fwd, runs and drives good spares or repairs easy fix. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 137258. Engine, 2198 cc TDCI 85 phosphorus monosulfide DURATORQ-C. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Will need some light attention to get through MOT. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 keys, electric windows.